Meaning of drought.
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 Drought. Drought refers to a prolonged period of dry weather resulting in a shortage of water supply. This can have significant impacts on agriculture, the environment, and human activities. Reduced water availability can lead to crop failures and food shortages, causing economic hardship for farmers and communities. It can also lead to poor air quality as dust and other particles are stirred up by dry conditions. Furthermore, drought can exacerbate wildfires due to higher risk of ignition and more severe fires. Overall, drought can have far-reaching and lasting consequences on both natural and human systems.